Right, we are now moving on to question number 2. It reads, in a bag of 13 shoes, only 4 pairs can be obtained. So remember, for it to be a pair, it must be a complete set of shoes with the left shoe and right shoe available. Right. Find the number of ways of selecting 6 shoes, among which there are exactly 2 pairs of shoes. 6 marks. So what you need to do is you put a demarcation line first. Then on the left side, you want to put the pair of shoes that we have. We have 4 pair of shoes. So it simply means that you'll be having left and right shoe, left and right shoe, left and right shoe, left and right shoe, 1, 2, 3, and 4 pair of shoes, which are 8 shoes in total. So if we have 13 shoes in the bag, it simply means that we now have 5 shoes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which are not complete in terms of having left and right. Right. So these are non-pair. Let us read the question. Find the number of selecting. Whenever you see this word selecting, it simply means that you are dealing with combinations. Selecting, choose, you are dealing with combinations. But if you see the word arrangement, you will be dealing with permutations. So in this question, we are focusing on combinations. So selecting 6 shoes, among which there are exactly 2 pair of shoes. So we want to select exactly 2 pair of shoes on our left side. Remember, we have 4 pair of shoes. And from the 4 pair of shoes, you want to select exactly 2. So you write 4 combination of 2 on your left side. I hope you are following, class. Right. So already, this 2 here means 2 pair of shoes, which simply means 4 shoes have been selected already. Right. But remember, we need 6 shoes in our selection. So for them to be 6, we now need to choose 2 shoes from the non-pair side. How many non-pair shoes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write 5 combination of 2. I hope you are following. So to find your answer, you simply multiply 4 combination of 2 with the 5 combination of 2. I hope you are following. So 4 combination of 2 times 5 combination of 2, you get 60. So your final answer is 60 selections or 60 ways. Then you are home and dry. So you can even apply this approach when you have a situation like in a war, there are 13 people. And of the 13 people, we have 4 couples, like people who are married, right? And find the number of ways of selecting 6 people in a committee where there are exactly 2 couples. So you can treat the couples as left and right, left and right. The way we have worked out this question can also be applied when dealing with situations where there are couples. I hope you are following, class. So I want you to stay tuned as we move on to question number 3.